saying anything about cleaning it?
No, I'll do it afterwards.
We're running, aren't we?
Yeah. It's all going to be around about 10.
So you join them on their cleaning expedition.
First of all, we decided we would wash the car with warm water and a wax mixture. Secondly, here you can see I break out the towel and just give the car a wipe down to get rid of any of those streaky marks. Step 3 was to look around the car to see if there were any more imperfections that we could buff out later on.
Show off. Time for some teacup, colour fast, colour shade. Let's see if we can get this car a little bit blacker than it is.
What you doing? Literally just kind of like a...
You rub it on, you'll feel.
That much?
Yeah, start a little bit. You'll probably need a bit more, but start little and then put more on when you're ready. Put stuff on it maybe. Yeah, there you go.
Step 4 was to cover it in teacup and buff it out.
Very impressed with how these wings come out.
Our last step was to stand back and admire and see how those imperfections have come out.
You can barely even, like the big ones you can still kind of see, but like the ones down the sides
really well, haven't
are
they?
basically gone. Which is really good. And this side you can barely see it at all.
What do you reckon?
Almost a mirror finish.